Did dinosaurs live in forests of giant ferns? Well, you must have seen the traditional pictures that we often get in textbooks and encyclopedias and so on. You see a couple of dinosaurs, particularly the long neck variety, the sauropod variety, and they're munching their way through the leaves of very tall fern trees in forests of non-flowering plants. These sort of plants are known as gymnosperms. And you may have wondered about that. Why are such pictures constructed? And in fact, there is nothing wrong with such pictures. As creationists, we would probably want to draw the same pictures, and I've seen creationist books that have the same sort of pictures. But what do the pictures represent? What many people have assumed is that what you see in that scenery is what life was like over the entire planet millions of years ago when the dinosaurs are supposed to have been alive. But you know, today, if we see photographs of a particular environment, we do not assume that that is what the entire planet looks like. We know, after all, that the scenery here in Pensacola, where I live, is very different from the scenery that you would see through an office window in, say, Manchester in the north of England, where I was born and grew up. Different parts of the world have different environments, and the scenery would therefore be different. So why are the pictures constructed like that? It's because there is no doubt that the fossils of sauropod dinosaurs and also some other dinosaurs tend to be found in the same rock layers as gymnosperm plants, the sort of fern-type, non-flowering trees. Why are those sort of fossils found together? As I said, the evolutionary assumption is that these refer to a time period in Earth's prehistory. Creationists will not see it that way because we don't accept that there was a prehistory, apart from 5 days before human beings were created. That's 5 days of prehistory is all there would be, therefore. So we would assume that the dinosaur fossils and the gymnosperm fossils are together because they happened to grow together, because we did have the sort of environments where dinosaurs lived in forests of gymnosperm plants. In other words, the scenes that we see were not typical of the scenes all over the world. They were simply local scenes, local environments where the dinosaurs happened to live. The same could therefore be said about the fact we find fossils of extinct mammals, and also mammals that are still alive today, in layers that contain angiosperm flowering plants, because maybe mammals happen to live in environments where there were flowering plants. So it's really a picture of environmental conditions, not a picture of timescales of millions of years.